Hello, I've had this DELLA air conditioner for a year now. It was very easy to install. I installed it by myself. I didn't need a second person to help. So that's how easy it was to install. You do have to do a little bit of electrical wiring and drilling of holes through walls and stuff. So you do need a little bit of mechanical ability. It has a cool remote control that it has in here, and it also does cool. It has different modes. We have auto mode, we have cool mode, we have dry mode, and we have heat mode. Right now I have it in cool mode because I like the AC on, and so you have different fan speeds. So we have it on high right now. There's a medium and a low. So if you want to change the temperature, you can just go up and down. As you can see, it is changing over there. The cool part about this air conditioner is it also is Wi-Fi enabled. So it does have an app that you can control from your phone from anywhere in the world that you have internet. So if you wanted to turn this thing on before you came home, go ahead and pull out the app and put the temperature that you want, and boom, your house will be cold, whatever temperature you have it set to when you get home. So, or let's say you forget to turn off the AC and you're like, I want to save some energy. Well, you get to work or wherever and you pull out the app and you turn off the AC unit. So that's how cool it is that this thing is Wi-Fi enabled. But if you don't have your phone out and you're here local, you just use this remote. So it has been 1 year since I put this thing in, and we have not had a lick of problems with it. So it's doing great. And if you guys need a split system mini AC unit, don't get those window units or nothing like that, because they're not very efficient. Now this thing is efficient. My power got cut in half when I switched from a window unit to this one. And that window unit couldn't keep this room cold. Now this thing will freeze you out. I'm telling you. So that's why it was set on 74, because this thing can get cold. The heat also works great too. So if you need a split AC unit, buy DELLA. It's a great brand. Thanks.